It may be one of the best parts of the school day, recess. And for this elementary school in Muncie, Indiana, this playground just got an A+ in recess.
Love it. Our kids are so excited to come out here every day and play on this.
There is fun and exercise spread out across the entire playground. The centerpiece structure, called the Quaker Mill, has 24 components on the upper and lower levels: sliding, climbing, going up, going down, and going all around. All good things for this age group of 5 to 12-year-olds. This is a magnet for play, challenge, exercise, and socialization.
They really like the spinny thing, the spinny chair. I don't know what it's called. And that they have more and better swings. And then obviously all of the big play set with the slides. When you come out here, it is packed full of kids.
Spinning eggs, swings with shade, climbing, crawling, jumping, and hanging around. This playground covers all the bases, and for all the kids. It's fully ADA compliant with several ramps and mobility aids, including wheelchair access.
They intentionally made it much more accessible, so we have a couple classes of students with exceptional disabilities and then 60 preschool students here too. And so we wanted to make sure that it was a playground that everyone could play on, and they did that.
There are several play and learning panels and freestanding equipment to make music and joyful noise. There are so many opportunities for everyone to play together.
So many of the kids in our exceptional needs classrooms have autism, and so for them to have all of these sensory areas to play in, to let that out, is particularly helpful for them.
All ages, all access, all abilities, and all good things must come to an end, at least until tomorrow, or maybe after school. A world of play awaits.